By 2030, nearly about a third of all work hours could be automated by AI. It's a jaw-dropping shift, and it's raising one huge fear. Will AI take my job? It feels like the ground is shifting beneath us. But here's the truth. It's not just about being replaced. It's about being revalued. The future belongs to people who sharpen the skills AI can't replicate. Let's explore 5 human abilities that will make you not just safe, but essential in the AI era. Skill 1. Deep creativity and originality. AI can generate music, art, and writing, but it's remixing patterns, not inventing from experience. Real creativity is emotional. It comes from memory, struggle, wonder, and the desire to express something real. It's messy, personal, raw. I doesn't have those experiences. It doesn't feel inspiration. You do. Your ideas, perspectives, and imagination, that's something no machine can truly copy. And in a world flooded with content, originality will stand out more than ever. Skill 2. Emotional and social intelligence. AI can simulate empathy. It can respond politely or kindly, but it doesn't feel anything. It doesn't understand pain, joy, fear, or trust. You do. You can walk into a room and sense tension. You can comfort someone with just a look. You can lead, resolve conflicts, build trust, and inspire through connection. Skill 3. Complex problem-solving and critical thinking. AI is brilliant at analyzing data, but it's trapped by what it knows. It can't reason through brand-new problems. It struggles when rules change. You, on the other hand, can think outside the box. You can ask better questions, weigh ethical concerns, and apply judgment in unpredictable situations. Where AI sees dots, you connect them. Where AI follows logic, you apply wisdom. Problem-solving in a chaotic world requires flexible, human thinking, not pre-programmed responses. Skill 4. Adaptability and lifelong learning. AI learns from massive data sets, but once trained, it's rigid. You can learn from a single moment. You can change fields, learn new tools, and reinvent your career over and over. Adaptability is your superpower. Skill 5. Ethical leadership and judgment. AI doesn't know right from wrong. It can't wrestle with moral dilemmas or feel responsible for consequences. But you can. Ethical leadership is about making hard decisions when the lines are blurry. It's about fairness, courage, and values, especially when no one's watching. As AI takes on more decision-making power, we need people who can guide it, who ask not just, "Can we do this?" but, "Should we?" That's not a job for a machine. That's a job for you. The more we automate, the more we will need what only humans can offer: creativity, empathy, judgment, flexibility, and leadership.